G'day, Ashton Cartwright here. Today we're going to try one of my current favourite bourbons that I've got here called Hogs 3. Now this is a Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey, which means it's been aged for at least 3 years, and it's at least 51% corn that goes into the mash bill to make up the bourbon. You'll see it's actually quite a light colour. This is a very thick, wide bottle, but for bourbon it's quite white there. I'll give you a bit of a look at the label there. Now, myself and some of my friends have been really enjoying this one lately, which is why you can see there's not a whole lot left in the bottle. On the nose, it's a very, very warm, fragrant whiskey. You actually get a lot of ripe peaches and even honey and cinnamon. It's very, very, very warm, summery smell. Let's give it a taste. First thing you notice is it's a very sharp, spicy taste on the palate. It's not too hot. You'll find the flavour is intense, but there's not so much of an alcohol burn that you get from some of the other whiskies. You'll find this one's only at 40%, which is 80 proof, so you don't really need to add water to this one when tasting it, but you can certainly add a few drops. But for this one, I find it's very, very delicate anyway. After the initial sharp sort of honey cinnamon hit, it's a very, very sweet bourbon. You'll find it dulls down, and then you get a lot of the oak flavour coming through. It's not super strong, the oak. A lot of the other bourbons, like Russell's Reserve or Woodford Reserve, the oak can be a little overpowering to my mind. But this one's very nice. It's very fresh. It's a wonderful bourbon for a nice spring afternoon. Very nice. I definitely recommend you give this one a try. It would actually make a really good bourbon for a stiff cocktail like a whiskey sour or something like that. Anyway, my name is Ashton Cartwright. Be sure to subscribe.